What is up, guys? Jester on 2 back again. I know it's been a while, but we're back for another video. So right now, the last couple days, the bike has been broken. I got a busted throttle cable, but something came in the mail before it broken. It's from Radiant Cycles. So I've been fighting with debating on what kind of exhaust I wanted to get. I looked at a whole bunch of different ones, but after seeing Ghost Ninja's video, I decided to go with the Radiant Cycles Shorty exhaust. Biggest problem that I got is this ugly looking can is just massive, and I hate it, so I decided I wanted to go with something shorter. I liked how Ghost Ninja's sounded. I just have no idea what it's going to sound like on the bike. Right now I got two microphones set up, the one on the GoPro and then another about 10 feet away or so we could do a before and after with a decent sound quality test. And then I also got a dB meter. So we'll see what it sounds like right now with the stock one and how loud it is, and then we'll switch over and do the new one. So this is the stock exhaust. So right now at idle, about 70 dB. And if I rev it up, about 80 dB. So hopefully that's coming through. And right now our ambient volume just a little above 50 dB. All right, let's get it switched up. So to pop the stock can off, 8mm hex. Just loosen that up a little bit. And now a 12 millimeter. Pop that off. Not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. Now, there it is. Nothing to that. See if it's still a 12mm. Nope. Looks looks like about a 10 millimeter, or 11 millimeter, I should say. 11? Yeah, 11 millimeter. All right, let's slap this on. Center stand. Luckily my bike comes with its stock. Shit. Alright. Had to switch wrenches for one that will let the screw pass through. Now let's get it clamped. Alright, that looks good and tight. Okay, so now that we got it tightened down, let's fire it up and see how loud it is. Ambient levels haven't changed very much. About 54 dB out here right now. So let's give it a go. That's very percussive. It's going to be it's not too much louder until I rev it up. That's going to be interesting. I can't wait until the throttle cable comes out or gets here so I can replace that. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anywho, that's how easy it was to change that up. Anyways, I am Juster on 2, and I'll see you on the next one.